because it was a short day, and then we had a fire drill in one class, and not in the other class we didn't finish as much as we'd like. Anyways, the homework has shortened. We did this in class, with these in class exception of one because of the fire drill. So I'll do this problem. But all you have to do is this page front and this page right here. And in my other class I'll show it here, and for the students that didn't watch YouTube, I'll go ahead and teach this too from my other class. But for the most part, I'll start here. We want to make this into a decimal with no calculators. These are called irrational numbers because they're not perfect squares, right? We did number 2. Now radical 5 is between radical 4 and radical 9, okay? Radical 5 is between the two perfect square of radical 4 and radical 9. So therefore, radical 4 is 2, radical 9 is 3. So your answer is between 2 and 3. That means it could be 2.1 as an answer equals 2, 2.2 as an answer, 2.3 as an answer, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, and 2.9. The next number is our number 3 here after 2.9. So we can guess on which one is it could be. Well, radical 5 is close to radical 4, so your answer is going to be very close to this 2 instead of 3. So I'm going to choose, I say in the low 2s, not the high 2. The high 2 is close to 3. So I'm going to teach 2.3, see what happens. So 2.3 times 2.3, 9, 6. Okay, 6, 4, 9, 12. Oh, it's over by 29.29. Okay, and well, if it went over, I'm going to try that one now. Let's use green. Okay, I'm going to choose 2.2 here. 2.2 times 2.2. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 4 dot. This is 29 away. This is 16 away from 5. You see, if you add that, it equals to 5. So this is closer. So your answer is, the radical 5 is 2.2. Okay? So 15 is between the radical 9 and radical 16. So radical 9 is 3, correct? Radical 9 is 3. Radical 16 is 4. So your answer varies from 3 to 4. So it could be 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, and 3.9. The next one is this number 4. So I would choose, because 15 is very close to 16, so its answer is very close to this. I'm going to choose 3.7. See what happens. I'm going to choose the top. I'm not going to choose any of these low numbers because it's closer to 16. Where this one was close to 4, that's why I didn't choose these high numbers. I chose low numbers. Okay, let's choose 3.7. 49 carried 4, 21, 25. And 21 carried 2, 9, 11. 13.69. Oh, that's, did I do something wrong? Carry 4. No? Wow, okay, I'm going to choose 3.9 because that's 13. 3.9. I'll choose another color so you guys can see a little distinguish between 3.9 because that's so far from 15. 13.69. Okay, times 3.9. 81 carry the 8. 27. 35. Yeah, 35. I'm adding to make sure I did it right. 27 carry 2. 15.21. That's 21 over. Well, maybe it's 3.8. I need to try all 3 of them. This is over, so we want to see 3.8, how close 3.8 is. Carry 6, 30. That's 11. 4, 4, 4. 14. Oh no, this one's closer. This is like 56 away, right? This is only 21 away. So the answer is 3.9. Square root of 15 is 3.9. Okay. And then pi is 3.14, of course. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. Anything with pi is called irrational. All right. You didn't have to do this. It just took up space. Okay. Round to near nearest. Well, I wanted to list 1 through 12 because 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, and 144. Okay. This way we know square root of 24 is between 16 and 25. So your answer is between 4 and 5. And I guess numbers between 4 and 5 here. So be 4.1. Is it recording? Is it that delay? That oh my gosh. Come on. Thank you. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, and the next number is this number 5. 20 square root of 24 is very close to 25. So I'm going to choose close to 25. Let's choose, I will be smart, right? We'll choose this one, not too very close, 4.8. That is equal to, is it 4.8? Let's see. 4.8 times 4.8, 32, 38, 16, 19. Oh, yeah, did I do it right? 64, carry 6, 32, 38, that's correct. 32, carry 3, 16, 19, yeah? Yeah, I think I did it right. 23, oh, point. So this is 96 away. That's kind of far. Maybe it's 4.9, huh? It's smaller than 24, so do 4.9. 81 carry 8, 36. 36 plus 8 is 44. Uh-oh, they're distracting me. Oh, look at how close that is to 24. It's only one away. 0.1 actually. Very, very close. So 4.9. The square root of 24 is 4.9. Okay? You do that to all of this. 6. Square root of 6 is between 2 and 9. 2 and 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So you choose two numbers. Not 9, 2 and 3. Square root of 4 and square root of 9. So okay, and then it's 3, so we can stop. All right, let's choose one. It's 4 and 9. It's closer to 4, but not that way. Let's try 2.5 and see what happens. We're not sure. It's almost in the middle. Okay, so we do 2.5 times 2.5. Oh, it's just a little bit over. This is 6.25, just a little bit over. Okay, so 2.4 maybe. This one right here. Okay, this is 25 away. This is 24. Look at that. Add that up, it becomes 6. So 2.4 is closer. So you do that for the square root of 20. Now on this side, I know for period 4 we didn't go over it because of the fire drill. So I'm going to leave you to do square root of 20. This one is with this one here. Number 1, simplify each radical expression. This is rounding each to the nearest tenth. That's what you do here without a calculator. And all you do is there's 6 of these, 6b. Each pair makes 1. So you got square root of, that's 3, so that's b to the 3rd power. And that's it. Now here, k, k, k. You have one of them. So the other one that doesn't have a pair, you put a square root in there. So your answer is k. There's only one pair to the first. Square root of k. Now 1 can be invisible. That's your answer. Square root of 20 is different because you get 4. You need to do a factor tree. 2 times 2, and you can't go any further with a pi, with 5. So you only have one pair here. 2 to the first, the square root of that 5. Okay, that's how you do that. And this one, same. You go, okay, You know your multiplication, you're good. 5 times 9. You don't use this anymore. 3 times 3. So your answer is 5 times 3 times 3. That's a pair. 3 to the first, the square root of this 5. And you don't have to write the power of 1. They're all irrational. Okay, hopefully I'll do this all on Monday and we'll learn how to do these, hopefully.